Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this short video, we're going to review the Daytek Slim Folding Frame Clothesline. And this clothesline suits up to 3 people. It has 5 lines, giving you a total of 11 metres of hanging space. The clothesline is 2,240 millimetres wide, which is left to right, which is ideal for a double sheet. And it is 700 millimetres deep, which is from the wall to you. The clothesline's made out of a strong metal steel construction, has metal brackets to go onto the wall or the ground mount kit, and comes with UV resistant plastic corners. It does come in several different colour options, and in this installation we've got it on a wall, but you can also purchase the ground mount kit as an optional extra. It is a simple line tensioning system and is an easy to assemble product. It comes with a massive 15 years manufacturer's warranty. Now it also folds down when not in use, so you can do this by you simply lift it up like so and drop it down so it's out of the way if you want to reuse your garden and not have it take up valuable space. So I hope this has helped you. This and many other clothesline options are available at theclotheslinestore.com.au. My name's Jason. Thanks for watching and bye for now.